हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज़ हम, चालसाज़ हम, इश्कबाज़ दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
आंखों की चाबी से, थोड़ा बेताबी से, चुपके से खोले दिल के ताले, जा देते उसको जहाँ देते, अपनी माँ देते, जिसकी भी बाहें गले में डाले।
दुनिया से हमको क्या ले जाना, यारों के दिल में हो ठिकाना। जो दिल से यार हमें ले पुकार तो चांद सार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से यार से यार से, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। यारबाज़ हम, चालसाज़ हम, इश्कबाज़ दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले।
जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल, हाथ में कंगन, हो माथे पे बिंदिया। It happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए, जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए, मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले, चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए। जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए, मुंह से तो।
We welcome to this India's Independence Day Parade launch today at Rosemont, Illinois, with the big bang that August 15th will be the big day for the India Day Parade. As usual, for last 32 years, we've been continuously doing, inviting all the dignitaries, the ministers, as well as Bollywood stars for all these 32 years, with the help of all our trustees and all the supporters of FIA. And today we are very fortunate to have amongst with us, with the help of our trustee Harish Bhatt, we're very honored to have Rishita Bhatt. And I think, it's a great event. And then amongst us is the FIA president who for this year. And great responsibility. And our actress has committed that she'll be back again on August 15th to, to get hold of all the youths, the boys and the girls of Chicagoland area to rally behind her on that parade day. And we welcome her. And let's hear from.
Well, okay. Well, more than happy. Thank you, FIA, for having me here. Special thanks to Harish ji, to Sharif ji, Indrajit ji, and his beautiful wife. And I think more than happy to be here because this is a flag off. And me as an Indian, as a proud Indian, I feel very happy. As an actor, I represent the culture of India. And when I get this opportunity to be away from home, and actually this is no more away from home, I feel at home. I am very proud of everyone who is a part of this association, that they keep up the spirit of India. And yes, to motivate and promote this, I would love to be here on the August 15th. And I think this is what happens back home. And if this happens here, I surely want to be a part of it. Because I want to be a part of this beautiful spirit that has been alive for so many years here in Chicago. So, well, thank you for having me here. And it's been more than a pleasure for this wonderful flag off for the event.
Congratulations. On behalf of the Federation of Indian Associations, a 33-year-old community umbrella organization, I would like to invite all of you for the great, grand festivals that we are going to showcase in the month of August in honor and in celebration of India's independence. Federation of Indian Associations has always been in the forefront in showcasing the national patriotism and the sense of Indianness. And as such, we are going to unveil 3 major events in honor of India Independence Day. The first being the Grand India Independence Day Parade on Saturday, August 15th, which will be held on Diwan Avenue after a brief flag hosting. Thereafter, preceding the parade, we're going to have a Federation of Indian Associations Great Gala Banquet at the Meadows Club on August 14th, Friday. And then preceding that, we're going to have, following the banquet, we're going to have a Mela on Diwan Avenue, a Mela where we'll showcase the ethnic festivities, food, games, music, dances. It'll be fun, wholesome fun for the whole family, while at the same time, we as a community can gather together to honor the India Independence Day. And as such, we lovingly invite all of you, please join us. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hello, I am O.P. Meena, Consul from the Indian Consulate. I would like to thank the FIA for inviting the Indian Consulate for this program. I just knew, but I heard a lot about the existence and presence of the FIA. It is a very big organization, and I thanks for the FIA for hosting the common flag hosting ceremony on the Delhi Plaza on the 15th. And I heard about this parade also. It is the prestigious of FIA, and a lot of people in the Indian community participate in it. This is not a simple gathering, but it is the symbol of unity and harmony of our community and presence of our community in this country. I would like to thanks again, and we will continue to support for such type of event of FIA whenever it occurs. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Bharat Barai, a former president and trustee of FIA, the Federation of Indian American Associations. This association has existed for many, many years, and I had the honor and privilege of being a past president. To try to spread the message of India and the message of Indian American community and to celebrate the Independence Day of India, FIA has taken out parade every year for last 3 decades or more to celebrate it. This parade used to be originally on Michigan Avenue, but for last 2 decades or so, as the Indian population has shifted to north side of Chicago, the parade takes care of Diwan Avenue. There will also be a banquet, and we would invite all our fellow Indian Americans to come to the banquet, help FIA, and next day, usually on the 15th of August or the nearest Saturday, there is parade, and please come to that parade and celebrate with us. Thank you once again.
I am Babu Patel. and active trustee of Federation of Indian Association, and also one of the co-founder, also a vice president of National Federation of Indian Association. We do through this association activities which concerns to the community, including the passport work, immigration work, and many other different humanitarian work we do through the Federation of Indian Association. We work jointly together. Many different associations have a only limited capacity, but through Federation of Indian Association, FIA, which we call, and National FIA, there is so many other activities locally with the government related, as well with Washington, where most of the rule and regulation comes. We take the participation, meeting to the congressmen, senators, and other various authority or dignitaries. So we want you to aware of it, what Federation of Indian Association does, beside doing the parade, beside doing the 26th January celebration. So please come on the 15th of August, join the parade, and learn more about activities of Federation of Indian Associations. Furthermore, we have a recently this earthquake, our neighboring country, Nepal, like to request viewer of Asia TV and making sure that whatever contribution you can do it, however you can do it, please do it. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Anil Pillai. I am the trustee of this Federation of Indian Associations. I have been with the Federation for last 33 years. Also, I am serving as a commissioner for Village of Skokie for the Consumer Affairs Commission. I have been involved with the FIA not just for fancy, but for our community's development. In the past, I remember, yesterday I was looking at my file and I was looking at one of the memo we sent out to congressmen, asking them for their support in 1990. It was really surprising. I'm so glad that so many Indians are gathering for our India Independence Day parade. Thank you. God bless you all.
Good afternoon. This event of FIA parade launch was the first time for me. My name is Purnima. I'm from Milwaukee. I was invited by Mr. Iftikhar Sharif. I actually represent an Indian organization called Spindle India. It's 2013 incorporated in Wisconsin. Our goals are very similar to bring Indian culture to the community, bring people together, and image of Indians. We are very focused on basically making sure business growth happens, collaboration happens within our community. We are actually over here to strengthen Indians' image. So I've heard about fundraising for Nepal. We as an organization, Spindle India, has launched a campaign for matching 50% or up to $1,000 of donation from our organization. So if FIA would like to channel the funding to us, we would be able to match and send it to Nepal. And we have Milwaukee Nepali Parivar as well, part of our campaign initiative. So we as an organization do a lot of Indian-focused cultural and festivals. Our flagship event is India Fest Milwaukee, which was launched in 2013. For 2 years, we were able to bring in about 13,000 people together with tons of businesses and corporations supporting our cause and event. We'd like support from FIA. We will as well support FIA's initiative. And thank you very much. And we wish a lot of luck to FIA's goal. And we would love to collaborate and look forward to it. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Hina Trivedi, trustee of FIA Chicago. welcome each and every guest who's here today and who could not make it. I hope to see them in 15 August program. Please come to that. And another thing is, please help out Nepal, whatever way you guys can. It's a community request to each and every human so that we should come together and help out during this kind of time. I appreciate it. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
For upcoming event of 15th August, our Independence Day, the Parade Day, which we are celebrating for last, I'm sure, 33 years. This is the beginning of the temple to build up the job we have to do in upcoming event, 15th August, Grand Parade Day on Diwan. We have seen so many Grand Parade on Diwan many years with the help of the community leaders, with the help of our directors, executive board, trustees, senior trustees, who are pioneer and the founder of this great institution, great organization, FIA. 33 years, proud history, and 33 years, I think. 33 years of proud history of FIA, we want to extend for upcoming years and make it better and better and better with the help of all other community leaders. We appeal all the associations to put their heart and their mind to make this event successful. FIA motto and my personal motto also, make the friends, unity at the time of the need, friendship at the time of the need, and our community needs the help. United we can grow, and I'm sure we can show better results for personal achievements and achievement for your own individual organization. And the FIA platform. I think FIA platform was designed to do good community services, meet the people, bring the people here. That's our main goal, to be continued in even next future. And we need the good leaders to follow that principles. FIA have some commitments. They have special principles to follow, even in your private life or public life. And again, I appeal all the people, all association people, media, to help us for FIA events, upcoming event 15 August, Parade Days. And I thank you all association members, all trustees, senior trustees, donors, and who are friends of FIA. Thank you.
Good afternoon. We are waiting for our chief guest. He's on his way. FIA President of the Executive Board, trustees, and friends. The Federation of Indian Association celebrating the 15th August is last 30 years. We did many parade on Diwan Avenue in Michigan up to 94, when Belal Patel was the last president. And from 95, we brought this parade from Chicago downtown to Diwan Avenue because all our Indian businesses on Diwan, they're supporting us. So vice versa, we have to support them. We have every year more than 25-30 floats. Before the parade, we have a big banquet of about 1,000 people. I would request, and everybody knows him, Mr. Iftikhar Sharif. He's our trustee. He owns the National Bankers. He's a big donor. Whenever we need funds, he always first write a check. So I am requesting Mr. Sharif, please come forward and say a few remarks.
He is the backbone of FIA. He will do the 100% celebration, the job assigned to him. Thank you.
Thank you, President Indrajit Patel. The trustees, all the senior trustees, starting from the corner, Kanti Bhai Patel, our guest of honor, and Babubhai Patel, the commander. We can't call him soldier anymore. The senior commander of FIA. And the official chief of staff and the trustee of FIA, Kantibhai Patel, the woman active president and trustee, Hina Trivedi Patel, and of course the one of the senior trustees in FIA and co-founder, right? Our founder, I get confused sometimes.
That's okay.
The co-founder, Maila Patel, and the most person who is always the perfect in handling the legal issues, the legality of our association, the backbone, of course, Anil Bhai Patel, the trustee, and my Anil Bhai Patel. Right. Because, I hate to say that, but Captain, it's all controlled by Gujarati.
He has to pay the royalty, Patel royalty.
Yeah. And of course, the senior and a very good worker of our community. He works not only religious wise as well as a dedicated person behind us, Sitaram Patel, and the main guy also, the new leader moving up in FIA, who will always take a good role in a positive manner, and that is no other than Ajay Aktivati. And of course, C.B. Brahmbhatt and all the executive committee, the guest, the media, Vandana, who has also represented FIA as vice president, secretary so many times, Vandana Chingam, and Vandana Walia, and all the executive board. I welcome you all to this event, which is for people who are attending first time, including my newfound friend from Milwaukee, Purnima Nath, who also runs a similar organization like FIA in Milwaukee, does parade, does Mela, and few other things. And we have committed that we'll support her in Milwaukee, and she will support us here in Chicago. And except that the same date, August 15th, they're hosting we are, but we'll do our best to support her. So we welcome you, Purnima Nath, to the event. And just to bring you a little bit, I think most of you talked about how since 1980 or 82 FIA was formed, and
1980.
See, that's the problem. Just checking who's the senior here.
August 18, 1980.
Okay, August. So continuously been in existence since then. Not 1 year we have missed any event so far, especially the India Day Parade, the Republic Day function, the Daily Plaza, and many other hosting of many dignitaries coming from India, and the dignitaries going from here, whether it is the issue of civilian nuclear technology, people like many of our trustees, including Niranjan Shah, Dr. Barai, and all of the trustees who are not active there. You won't see their names, but they have done their part. So what I believe that FIA presidents or trustees, trustees are those who have served FIA for 1 year at least.
Past president.
Right, who have served, just saying in a different English, but it's who have served as the president and they become the trustee. So that is how, in that pretext, and we have important trustees who have done so much for the community, national level, in India and here in Chicago. And we were fortunate enough that last 2 years we had one of our senior trustee and a person we all know him very well, Soman Joshi, who served as the national FIA president also. So having said that. And while we wait for the council, and this is a little bit history for the press and for the new people, and I do want to bring one point which is definitely of people who are manipulating the name of FIA by twisting some words here and there, especially the group out of Schaumburg. They're misleading the people. I will quote again that they are misleading the funds of people who think that it is same FIA. And I get so many calls, people say, oh, you're FIA. I said, no, that is the FIA manipulated FIA, but this FIA from the beginning till today, there is one group. All the 32 trustees are amongst us. Nobody has gone anywhere, but if somebody wants to do some crooked ideas, manipulate the name, they could do it. I mean, they could have as well used another name, but they want to use a FIA name. But very soon there will be again second legal lawsuit will be filed, so that yes.
Yeah, you said in that one they were part of this FIA, they lost in the election, and they couldn't make it.
Yeah.
That's why they went and formed, because they were only for post, not for.
All right.
Use the word rebel group.
No rebel group, they're our group. I mean our people, but except we have difference of opinion. So I think that is the only thing I want to say about them. But I think we will solve that issue also. Some lawyer has already said that he will solve that amicably and without going to any because we are a small group of 300,000 people in Chicago, Indians, and we don't want to have any commotion among us. Yes, every time there is an organization which represents different group, there's always going to be confusion, misunderstanding. To me, this glass may look full, but somebody could say, no, this is only half. So that is how, different opinions will come, but at the end of the day, we'll all be one and we'll solve all our problems collectively. So that is our, main thing, that we got to have different opinions, but not to an extent that we will show to other communities or other countries that we are going to be having any problem. But no, we will resolve every issue, whether it's the other FIA or any issues within us, everything will be all taken care of. And I welcome you all one more time, and I think just about in few minutes we'll hear from Counsel General Asaf Saeed. Could not be here because of his commitment, but second in command, Counsel O.P. Meena, who just got transferred from Delhi External Affairs and who's here since last 4 months. He will be joining us in few minutes, and so as the Bollywood actress Harshita Bhatt, who was driving, and because she was out in the Illinois Pharmacy Association program last night until 2 o'clock, they were partying last night, and that is why I think that is the reason. And the second thing why we are gathered today is, unfortunately, it's a very sad day for all of us that today that more than, the reports are still coming along, but more than 7,000 people have died so far in Nepal earthquake. Every time there is an earthquake or national calamity, always FIA took an active part. Whether it was last time Gujarat earthquake, whether it was Odisha's earthquake, or any calamity we have taken. So we, among trustees, have decided to launch the activities of Nepal earthquake, that to rebuild the thing. Now, what happened, nobody could stop. But we can do is help in rebuilding the Nepal situation by joining hands with the major groups, whether it's the national groups or within the local or within community help of even $100 will go directly to the people needed in Nepal. That is how we will be doing, and at the same time most of our trustees will join hands with other groups. I myself will be joining this afternoon 3 o'clock at Himalayan restaurant where Nepali community is hosting an event to help them. And also amongst us today we have a representative from Nepal, no other than Commander Yadav. I don't want to give his secret title, but I don't want to tell him he's got a lot of titles. But Yadav has been active with FIA for, I don't know. He hasn't even taken the job at that time that he is associated with us. Thanks to Shabir Bhai Patel, who always brings him and nurtured him, and now he is on a big man and he serves the community, and we will all join you, sir, in the Himalayan restaurant. And thank you, Vandana, the TV, and of course Asia Media, Suresh Bhai, who cannot be here today, but he has sent his people, Dr. Modi and others, and Baba Ramdev, representative here, Mr. Virani, he is here, and
Sorry. Yes. Shri Hari Shankar. Shri Ravi Shankar. Shri Ravi Shankar. 3 Bashi. 1, 2, 3. 3 Shris and of course Joshi Saab, and Nero Patel, the young dynamic, a good friend of mine who took care of me in Gujarat. So many senior friends didn't take care, but my Nero Patel. But many of you.
Man, I'm sitting here and he can say that.
And so many of you, and so many of you have taken the initiative to work in many of the events we did together in Punjab, including an award by Swaminarayan Maharaj award. Along with Hari Bhatt, there was an award given to me and Vailal Bhai. And so we had good fun. I think this is all, if I am beside running this, lobbying for Indian values, lobbying for Indian culture, we also take time out to enjoy while we go to India and everywhere. And I think that's it. I'll give back to our president and our MC today. Very rarely you will see Kanti Bhai does the MC, but first time I saw his name as an MC, I said, okay, good. And here is Kanti Bhai.
I think Ifkar Sharif already mentioned about the Nepal, and then you saw, let's have it 2 minutes. Thank you. Now, among us today we have a young dynamic guy, elected official from Sambal Township, Mr. Nimesh Jani. I would request Mr. Jani said you.
We just had seen, I think, day before. As we said about the FIA, we cannot make them the list to invite our people. But to honor our special request and just by text message, is here. Dr. Indrajit Patel, President of FIA, trustees, all the well-wishers and friends. Allow me to take this opportunity to thank you all, board member and president, to involve me, give me opportunity to be with you guys, and I am honored with this privilege. Anytime, if I can help in any way, in any manner, I'll be more than willing to help you. I have taken one liberty, about a month and a half ago, I have a meeting with Deputy Chief of Staff of the Governor. And I sort of mentioned that 15th of August, so forgive me if I have taken that liberty. And I have put our event in the schedule right now. Other dignitaries or elected officials will need to invite. I'll be more than happy to help you. Again, thank you very much. And just consider me as your team members. Thanks again.
I just spoke and back again. Let me introduce the man who worked 7 days since he came shortly, under the supervision of the great dynamic leader and also our Council General Dr. Asaf Saeed, who is busy
so many activities, whether it is to do with the country of Mexico or South Africa or whatnot. It's delegation after delegation has been attending. And the man who works behind the scene to support him is no other than Council O.P. Meena. So he is today, and it's a great pleasure and honor to welcome him officially to Chicago, and then first time to the FIA parade launch or any of the FIA event. And this is just to update you, Mr. Meena, that every year during May we do the light lighting ceremony to start the activity of the India Day Parade, which includes the banquet, the parade, and the daily plaza, and all of that for the last 32 years, continuously. Since until 94, we used to do it downtown, then we moved the parade to Diwan Avenue. Since 95 till today, we're doing every year parade to promote the culture of India. And the largest parade outside India after the Delhi is done by FIA New York, and the second one is FIA Chicago. We are very honored and very blessed to do such an event, whether it has to do with the Republic Day Parade, India Day Parade, or Republic Day event, or to host any dignitaries. We host dignitaries every week almost, either directly on a file name or separately. As you have witnessed that last week we hosted the Member of Parliament from India, Kavita, and now next week we are hosting Lokesh, who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. He is visiting, so we'll be hosting him. And the following week again, K.G. Ramarao, who is also the Minister in Telangana government and also son of Chief Minister, he is visiting with his troop. We'll be hosting him the following. So there's always an event which we host continuously, and we look forward for your support for next year, because you're here 6 months or 3 months only, 3 months, and he'll be here for next year. So we look forward to working with him, and he makes notes of everything. Even the meeting which we agreed for August 15th event, which we're doing it combined with Council General of India Office and FIA Chicago. Continuous in conjunction with them, we are doing that Daily Plaza event, and he was the witness, and he has made the point notes of those meeting, that what we talked about it and everything. And I said we will try this year, and maybe next year, we don't know. But for this year, for sure, we agreed that we are doing a combined event, Council General of India and FIA Chicago. Those are the two teams which will be hosting the event. And we're planning to do on a big event for that August 15th also. So we welcome you, sir, and people would like to hear a few words from you, and then we'll leave you.
I am just new, but I have attended 2 meetings we had with the FIA association, and we are really respect the FIA that which has agreed for this kind of common flag organization. I just knew, and I heard about lot about the trade, which is the prestigious, and I am excited for that. So for this type of trade and the community welfare, we will continue to support that. This is not a human gathering, it is the part of the harmony and unity of the country, and it is very relevant in this, and we will continue to support it. Thank you very much.
I request Dr. John, he can announce all committee chair for our banquet and the party. Okay.
Everybody knows again the FIA is the big event will be Independence Day parade on 15th August. This time it is right on the 15th August, same day when India has been celebrated on the 15th August Saturday. So it's a big job. It's a big job. Nothing can be done without the help of the associations, friends, and leaders of the community. It's a community event, so we want them to bring their whole full-hearted efforts to make this event successful. So to make the event successful, we always have a lot of committees appointed by our trustee boards, our executive boards, and some choice by voluntary, and some power with the presidents. So we have few committees. The first committee committee will be like parade committees. Parade, banquet, finance. So multiple committees, but the one banquet committee chair we will be assigned Rajiv Patel and Ajit Singh. They have done a good job before and they will continue to help us the best way. And we have one of the downtown events, like we are doing common flag hosting this time in downtown. We used to do ourselves before, but due to the sad demise of our friends, in the memories of Naren Patel and other groups, we decided to make joint celebrations of the downtown flag hosting. That year will be Sharif Shah and some events, cultural events will be handled with co-chair Hina Devi. Parade committees, we assign our best supporter and the almost lifetime supporter, Smita Shah, I think the daughter of the Neolan Shah. And she always attend and the booster to our temple and she's always there when we need them. Now, biggest job also in finance committee, collecting collections. We assigned the great task to Sharif Shah. He always do the best and he always there when we are short of funds. So he is doing best and he will continue to donate time and money both to us for good cause. Mela committee, we have added Mela function last year. People done good job, people like it, communities will like it. So we assigned and we want to continue same Mela function this year also. Maybe Ajay Agnihotri and he did a good job last year. Thank you everybody. I'm sure you're ready for this big task. Thank you. Souvenir and printing committees, now also media committees and marketing. I think Kirti Rawai, best friend of us. I think he did a good job. He writes a good words phrasing. He's a moderate person and he can put the people together. He also respected well and he did a good job as our past president. He's still acting more than me. But taking over some responsibility of president also. Thank you. Kanti Bhai does the floor committees for a long time and he's also doing it. And he already booked 30 floors. Kanti Bhai, right? Yes. Already done. So continue. Again, thank you, Kanti. And we have security, a big task. Always have some issues, legal issues. So we make sure nothing is pinhole anywhere or any other issues. So we always have good security committees. I think our top party guy, Babu Rai, is the chairman. And Mr. Sabir Bhai, he did a good job last year. So this is the tentative committee. Anybody has their volunteer names and join any committee they wanted. And then chairman decide who will help them. Everybody work for the all committees and the president will be and executive board will be with the committee also. And we continue, but not only executive board, not only trustees, we need other association members to join us. Friends of FIA can join us for any roles they can add to us. And we will expand the FIA base and mission friendship, mission unity. So please come forward with any way you can help us by your time, money, bring the friends, bring the associations, join the FIA association, make it stronger. This is a tentative plan and we continue to work on it. It might be changed down the road, but time is short, so we just make tentative list this time. Again, anybody who helped us FIA for in the past and upcoming event and future, we thank for them and we always want to appreciate sincerely from bottom of the heart. Thank you. Some other issue with the venue, we decided that the Judge Rava is convenient for the people there, and he's a good friend of us. Total the meetings done there, so we want to continue the support to them also. But unfortunately, we had to change the venue because of some city rules and regulations. So we had the last minute change, and all media friends, they help us to notify the people, email, personal facts, personal messages, and including Maharaja, our restaurant guy, agreed yesterday before this time. I was told 4 o'clock afternoon that we had Punjabi Dhaba not available, and this restaurant helped us learn to absorb within the short notice, and they did good job and good help to us. Thank you, Maharaja. for continuation of this Nepal, what Sarif Sahib told, and we want everybody, I will sponsor myself to start with the $500 today. I don't know which association will take the money, or FIA take the money or not. So we can donate directly to the Nepali associations, whatever the advisors you will follow. But I will get my check just to start good charity beginning at home. Please join that relief funds. If not because they are our neighbors, they are Hindus, they have the earthquake, other people suffer, they need help. Please, help the people. Anybody can contribute today, you will get appreciated. Whoever contribute
Mr. President, for the Nepal Relief Fund, we want to donate the money. We want to know to whom should I check? No. Let me finish. We are listening from FIA that we are supporting Nepal, that my people should be favored. We are sending the clothes to the Everest restaurant in Evereston for our 5 days. We are keep sending. My question is, I want to pay some cash, donate $51 today. I want to know to whom. Is it a tax deductible for the Seva International or some FI doesn't have a 501c. So my request
is going to. It is going to go to a 503.
So I'll give a check for $251.
Okay.
Through FIA.
Yes, and they have an online setup already, so if I can give it directly from their account to their fund and.
Being a FIA, I'm giving $200.
Wait. Kandibai, 1 minute. Why don't we directly donate to the PM fund in India? Why we have to go through this here? Why can't we write a check to PM fund in India? Yeah.
It's not easy, and check will get lost and will not get cash. And I think PM fund.
Oh, I'm sure Indian consulate.
Administrative cost is very.
I'm sure Indian consulate can help you with that.
They should be open to donate anywhere they want it, but to the FIA, we can set up the issue, set up the account, and personal donation will be added to them.
Right now, I'm requesting each and every one who you want to, whatever the amount you want to give the donation for Nepal Treasury, please write Federation of Indian Association Chicago, and Federation of Indian Association give it money to your all 501c. All right? Thank you.
I
announced $500
Thank you, Belavi.
Thank you so much. We cannot take a tax bracket.
You can. This is not for me. Don't worry about it. You can.
We don't get the later of the other things.
So please write the Federation of Indian Association, a Federation of Indian Association is taking care. Now, I think that $500 from Patel Agency, Babu Bhai Patel. $500 for Patel.
Ajit Singh, he announced $500.
Ajit Singh, 500. 250 Kanti Patel. Yeah. Continue. You guys can write a check before you go home.
And you can donate anywhere if you believe it, which is safe and secure and more reliable. It's up to you. I mean, we don't mandate, but I've heard to be done by FIA and all friends. FIA is group of association anyway. So,
okay, now we go further. We are doing. Lamp lighting we doing right now. I'm requesting our association council, please come forward. And I would request all executive and trustee.
Events to be done before we start our meeting, but it was short enough time. And something like you want to just take it in hand and do it. Adil, go ahead.
Very good. He is a good hunter.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. President, at least announce the dates of your event, please. That nobody did it. Everybody spoke so long.
Main first focus event is 15th August, Saturday. Parade. Parade will be on Saturday. Between time will be 11 to 2. The gala will start after this parade. Assembly will banquet will be on 14th August, Friday. So tentative place is available. Everybody will get. Please add your name, email to us, so we can keep you regular mailing to you automatically. There's somebody complains that you don't get it. So please, if you are association head, if you have some more emails, give it to us. We can add to our list. We want help from the floor. Every association, we want them to have at least one floor to show their support to the FIA. Bring your friends, bring your music, bring your songs and answer with us. We will join each and every floor. And that event will be memorial for everybody else too. So please support us to the event. Nearby, we need something from BSP titles or BJP titles or sure. Anything on the floor. Bring your team, bring your music, and we will come together.
Sure.
I have somebody who wants to share her organization is doing a matching for the Nepal. If you give it to her, they have a 501c, they'll match the same. That's very good.
Good afternoon. My name is Purnima Nath. I'm from Milwaukee. A very similar organization that we founded in 2013, very baby organization, run by absolute volunteers. We are celebrating Indian Independence Day and Indian culture for last 2 years. We were able to actually bring in about 20,000 people from our community and a lot of influential people like Mayor and Governor. So our goal, the reason I reached out to Mr. Sharif was I saw our goal was very similar and I think we can collaborate better. We're not too far and make our organization stronger and bring Indian people's image better in the community. I'm a management consultant and entrepreneur professionally as well. So our organization name is Spindle India. The initiative we started with the foundation of an interaction event in India West Milwaukee. It has been well received in the community and generated a lot of traction. This year for the tragic Nepal, we are a big organization. We're starting to grow. At the same time, we wanted to do a little bit more for the community, and we have just launched a campaign for matching donations 50% or up to $1,000. So I heard you talking about funneling the funding. We have Milwaukee, Nepali Parivar in Milwaukee as well. So we are collaborating with them to fund the funding. So if you would like to channel it, and we are part of one PC organization. We would have no legal problem at all funding non-profit to our country. So I just thought this was the right forum for us to talk about that. And I would appreciate if you guys would take advantage of this. Thank you very much.
We are the FIA associated people, so you can go through FIA. And all the money will be used wisely. Deliver. Thank you. I would request now Kimti Laloi, please hold on. Thank you. Before you move forward.
If I can have your attention for one last minute. I'd like to thank on behalf of the Federation of Indian Associations for your presence this afternoon. Your presence truly makes a difference in terms of pushing FIA to host one of the finest, one of the biggest festivals that we undertake every year in August 15th in celebration in honor of India Independence Day. Let me say this, ladies and gentlemen, FIA is the only organization that is able to attract the largest number of people in Chicago.
I agree.
And I say it with great pride and a great sense of of purpose that FIA has worked very hard and will continue to work very hard with the outstanding leadership team that is seated here. And I hope that moving forward we'll continue to mobilize and garner your partnership in being able to put together these wonderful events so that India's Independence Day is remembered and honored. And thank you so much. And under the leadership of Dr. Inderjit Patel, who is the president of FIA, I am sure that FIA flag will fly much higher than what it was always. Thank you.
Men for civilian media and marketing. So thank you to be there. Again, I welcome my friends and our good leaders of Chicago community. Everyone know Bharat Bhai. He was trustee, I think he was president also, that's trustee. But even he is trustee or not, he's everywhere. He's all the association, he attended meeting with personal friendship, personal request, last minute request. He's a doctor, so he may be late. That's the I will say thing. So that's the nature. But I think he's always there. He do his best to attend any function he can do. Okay, but we welcome you here as a FIA trustee, our personal friends, and our guide. So we continue your help and your guide throughout the life of the FIA. Again, I will give my to give me some good advice and the commitment to FIA.
Hosted the Prime Minister recently.
He's the one who actually did the Madison Square Garden with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in New York. He was the assigned responsibility for PMO, and he did with the other associations have helped, and he did a good job. I think they the first of the events with the gathering of 80,000 people in the Madison Square Garden that with the history. I attended even Canada function. It was also nicely done, but people abroad, Indian people in abroad doing a good job to promote India, the friendship with Modi ji. Modi doing a great job. Everybody knows, I know what about Modi today, but we will not take it through. He's a personal friend of Narendra Bhai, and we have met Modi many times with Bharat Bhai at his house. Anytime here in India, we work together and we stay together and meet the common friends. We also have the donor for our Statue of Unity and Narendra Modi Mission Unity, Statue of Unity points. He's always there with me when we need him. He's always there with all associations. Again, we truly believe his leadership qualities and his commitment to the community. Again, Bharat, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. I give my apologies for not always being in time. But many times things come up. One is, of course, the nature of my profession. But second thing, actually I was talking to the Prime Minister's secretary, and his call came. I'll just let you know it's a matter of importance for Indian community. The Chicago Art Institute is hosting an international exhibition called The Gates to the Lord in September. And they are bringing a lot of paintings and pictures from India. It will be a huge exhibition, and a lot of it is funded by actually either the Prime Minister will inaugurate or Gita Ambani. So I've been working with them, and what happened, there were ministerial changes, not minister but secretarial changes, and all the original old artwork has to be shipped from India before the monsoon starts. Otherwise it might get damaged. So the person who was the director of National Museum in India, he got transferred. And the joint secretary in the Department of Ministry of Culture got transferred. And the whole thing went, and Chicago Art Institute went berserk. What will happen? Because rain starts in June. So I had to call the Prime Minister's secretary, his joint secretary, so I was on call. So many times you might think, and I understand everybody's time and I respect it, but sometimes the task comes somewhere, then we have to take care of it right away. So my apologies for not being here at 12 noon. I have been trustee of FIA for many, many years, and I have always supported, and we have had good leadership all these years. And if we work together, we will be able to bring good name to India and Indians. From time to time, there will be little differences, but we should look at how many things unite us rather than 1 or 2% differences that they are different. Even between wife and husband, there are differences, and we still live together and work. So my request will be, try to avoid trying to magnify our differences, try to magnify how many things that we are together, and I think we'll be doing a good job for ourselves. Thank you.
So my special invited guest has been put on the flyer, the Harshita, but she is in Bollywood movie star. She has acted in the few Hindi movies, and she visited to Chicago, and because of short notice, she agreed to be with us to promote the FIA vision. Special guest, Arishbhai Bhatt and Harshita Bhatt. We can see them on the stage in 3 minutes.
Announcement from South America. When a young lady, Dr. Hina Patel, she elected as a trustee in South America. Doctor, thank you. One more announcement. Sejal Patel, son of Jason Patel, son of Babubhai Patel, he elected as trustee in Lincoln, third term. And he was working in this association as a secretary. Come on, thank you.
I think being a Gujarati and part quite proud that she's here. She's my daughter, my niece, everything else. I think we should, my suggestion, I mean, I'm not the role, but it's nice to have a Gujarati girl present the couch for change. If we have a Gujarati president.
And the mission of FIA. We welcome you to Chicago, and this is why thanks to your effort to everybody. That was the sign of the FIA event today. Thank you.
Rishita has, I don't know how many of you know, but she's acted with Shah Rukh Khan, Abhishek Bachchan. Like last night, she put on a fantastic performance for our association. I don't know if any one of you were there, but the performance lasted till 2 o'clock at night. I didn't even go to sleep till 4 in the morning. It was unbelievable. She is a fabulous trained Kathak dancer. All her life she's training and she's still training. So it shows in her performance. She's fantastic.
I think we need to know about her, but not from anybody. Most of us, I googled it. I'm from the old school, Saravano type. So Arisha Bhatt is, but then I found out her movies and all that. But I think it would be nice to hear from her. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. With your applauses, I give you Harshita Bhatt, Bollywood. I always get confused. Harish Bhatt, the actor, and Harshita Bhatt, the actress. So here is Harshita Bhatt.
We just decided that he came much earlier and I came much later. And thank you for having me here. More than happy. I think I could be without this because everyone can hear me. But more than happy to be a part of this at Chicago is beautiful and all you people. Thank you for having me here. It's a most proud moment for me to be here for the Independence Day inaugural function, which will be on the 15th of August, hopefully. And I'd love to come here and be the guest of honor. more than happy because I feel that as an actor, as an artist, I represent my country. And all you beautiful people who are here, I think I'm more than not just proud of all of you people who sit back here out of our nation in India and you still sit here and do so much as Indians and make more and more Indians proud back home. So thank you again, and I'm more than excited to be here even in August.
That is the spirit of Indianness, I think. He found out from Harish that what happened during August 15th, when all these stars, previous stars, I'm sure he has mentioned about all the stars he hangs around with, and I think it would be a good idea to invite her back again. What do you think? Yes, today was the last, and I think finally she made it all the way around. Like Harish said, they were partying and having events, once a year type of thing, up to 4 o'clock, and she's here, and I'm glad he's able to see her and talk, and I think if you be a little bit patient, she could afford even to take some selfies and some pictures with you, without permission, but our manager is here. I hope he's not going to kill me by saying that, but it's up to the manager and of course Harish and her. But I think, we're all, respected people. I don't think there will be a problem with it. And we are uncles anyway, so. Thank you, and this was the grand finale. We were to present, and the meeting is adjourned. Please don't go without eating, and you can have pictures and do what you have to with the actress. Thank you, and now we also welcome the last but least the very important trustee, Sunny Gabawala, to the event. Just like Bharat he said, function really what makes an effect, and now Sunny is here. We welcome Sunny all the way from India forward. Thank you.
Doctor. Let's announce FIA executive board and here. Yes, because it's the FIA event, so we like to get the FIA banners and our flags and our pride of India and the culture. We can do executive committee first, then trustee board, and then we will open for the board. So we have time.
ना बोले चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए और अश्कों से अपने लिख कर भेजे प्यार की चिट्ठियां जहाँ दिन निकले सुनकर शलोक कुर्बानी और अजान जहाँ दिन निकले सुनकर शलोक कुर्बानी और अजान जहाँ मजहब से ऊंचा है